Unlock convenience and hop in and out of your vehicle with ease, thanks to available keyless and manual access options in your Volkswagen. With your key fob on you, keyless access gives you freedom to lock and unlock your vehicle without having to press a single button on the key fob. To activate, go to Vehicle, Exterior, Opening and Closing, and then tap Active under Keyless Access. When keyless access is enabled, your Volkswagen will automatically unlock the nearest door when you reach for the door handle. You can elevate your entry experience even further by selecting Unlock Vehicle when approaching. Once enabled, upon approaching the vehicle with your key fob in your bag or pocket, your Volkswagen will detect it and automatically unlock before you arrive at the door. If the Lock Vehicle when leaving feature is also enabled, once you reach your destination and exit the vehicle, your Volkswagen will again sense the key's proximity and automatically lock your vehicle. You can also lock and unlock your vehicle from within the myVW app with remote access. Models equipped with rear sliding doors can be opened with the press of a button. From outside the vehicle, you can use the key fob to open or close the rear sliding doors. Or you can use the button on the outside door handles to activate the automatic sliding door. If you're already inside the vehicle, press the respective button to open and close the rear sliding doors from the rear seats. Or you can open or close the sliding rear doors from the front seats using these buttons. With keyless entry, no matter the method you choose to unlock your vehicle, whether it's one door, just the doors on one side, or all doors at once, you have plenty of options for smoother entry. Go to Opening and Closing, Unlock Doors, then select Single Door, Vehicle Side, or All Doors from the drop-down. If you need to lock or unlock all doors at once, just press the lock button. With easy access to central locking, plus the all-important child lock feature right here on your driver door, your Volkswagen gives you the control you need for a more secure ride. And keyless access offers convenience for more than just passengers with the hands-free Easy Open feature. To activate, tap Vehicle, Exterior, and select Easy Open. When you've got cargo to load or unload, your vehicle will sense your key fob as you near the hatch. Under the center of the bumper, kick your leg once, just once, to avoid resetting the sensor, then step back, and the hatch will open for easy loading. Swing your leg under the bumper again, and walk away within 20 seconds to close the hatch. For models equipped with rear sliding doors, the available Easy Open feature works the same way. With the key fob on you, simply kick your leg once under the forwardmost portion of the sliding side door, then step back and the door will open. Swing your leg under the same portion of the side door again, step back, and the sliding door will close. Finally, if the vehicle fob stops working, you can still access your vehicle. Just press the release button at the bottom, pull out the emergency key, use it to remove the lock cap, then insert the key here to manually lock or unlock your vehicle. To troubleshoot the cause of a malfunctioning vehicle fob, be it a dead battery, unsynchronized key fob, or poor weather conditions, consult your owner's manual or contact your Volkswagen dealer.